Hi there, it's Starr. I'm super excited to share with you my stuffed bell peppers vegan meal. I made this for the second time in this video, and I might say myself that they came out bomb. They're really, really good. So you want to start off with onion, and you want to cut it as much as you want, and I just use maybe a third of that, and I'm just going to peel off the skin and then cut it up into tiny pieces. And I never really cut up the whole onion because I think that's way too much onion. But you want to do that to your liking. And then you want to go ahead and get a tomato after you wash it and cut it up as well. But I use this whole tomato because I have 4 peppers. And yeah, so just stay tuned to see how I dice and slice and cut this tomato and onion. You guys ever seen that movie? What was it? When it was like, I'm a slash and dash and cut a hole in your ass. If you know where that line came from, comment in the comment section. Moving on to freshly washed peppers, you just want to cut it at the top so you can remove the cork, and you want to make sure you get a nice clean cut. And you're just going to take your fingers and twist out the seed, and I like to get all the seeds out and some of the little white pieces inside to make sure that I have a nice clean canvas before I stuff the peppers. And here's me showing you one more time. I'm a righty, so I couldn't like show you guys the other way around, but you get the gist of it. And you must know that your pepper may not be all the same sizes, and also they may tilt when you put them in a pan. So here you want to make sure you go into your pot with some onion and some garlic. And I love this garlic, you guys. Minced garlic is like so amazing. It's just prepared for you. So I'm just going to get the best of this and get out all of the garlic. More all of the garlic. As you can see, I was going in like I get crazy. I get the knife and all that to get the garlic out. Now I'm going to move into the meatless crumbles, and I'm just going to put that into the pot as is, and then I'm going to flavor it up. As you can see, you have to keep it frozen and it's plant-based, and you just want to make sure that you have everything boiling. Add some water, and here I'm adding some white beans, onion powder, paprika, and some black pepper. Crushed pepper is my preferred pepper. And then you want to just give that a whisk in the pan. When all that is said and whisked together, you add a tomato sauce of your choice. I think I put tomato basil inside, and then after you heat all of that, you just add your corn and you whisk it all together again. Let it cook some more to get all the flavors nice and juicy. You want to add your tomatoes when everything is all like clumped together and providing its thickness, and all the flavors are accumulating in the atmosphere. And then to top it off, you guys, you add your black bean and corn salsa. Yum, 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 yum. OMG. I may do a review on this salsa because I got it from a new shopping grocery site online, and it's really good. So here you have it, your stuffed peppers. You want to add some of your Daiya cheese on top of that. And if you guys have any other vegan cheese brands that's good, please leave me a comment in the comment section, because I just been eating the Daiya mozzarella cheese because it's been pretty good for me. And bam, once it come out of the oven, you get a picture like this. I hope you guys enjoy. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.